That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
Baby, go. Go.
Mimic, you are not a fucking husky. Get in the house.
So.
What's this?
It's an art project.
Okay, I like it. Picasso.
Captain! No! Get down here!
Mimic, come on. Let's go.
Hey, Rory. Some lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside. You're not made for this cold weather.
It's beautiful. It looks like a cursive A. Or is it a penis? It looks like a penis. Who's there?